G'day, it's Phil here from Smarter Air. Your ducted air conditioner located in the roof accumulates dust, germs and mould over time and requires periodic cleaning. Today I'm going to show you how we do a ducted air conditioner coil clean. Okay, so we're in the roof and we've got the ducted system opened up, exposing the cooling coils. These coils can get blocked over time with mould, germs and bacteria, and that's why it's important to keep them clean. Okay, so now we're going to spray the coil down with a specialist chemical to help break down any build-up and sanitize the cooling coils. Now the cleaning solution's had time to soak in and break down the dirt, we simply wash it down with our pressure cleaner. Now we're just going to clear out the drain, ensuring any dirt that's come off the coils goes straight down the outside and we're not blocking up our drain. Here we're just tightening the electrical connections on the unit. We recommend getting a deep clean done on your ducted air conditioning system at least every 2 to 3 years to ensure your family is breathing clean air.